friends, welcome back to my channel Cooking Chronicles. I'm Divya and today we are making Mumbai style vada pav. Ingredients are pav, boiled potatoes 2, peanut and garlic masala 3 tablespoons, chopped onion 3 tablespoons, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, green chilies 4 to 5, chopped ginger garlic 1 tablespoon, curry leaves 10 to 15, coriander and mint chutney 2 tablespoon, salt as per your taste, lemon juice 1.5 tablespoon, gram flour or besan 1 cup, turmeric powder half tablespoon, cumin seeds half tablespoon, mustard seeds half tablespoon. First we will prepare batter. For making batter, let's add besan. Now let's add salt. Some turmeric powder. I'm using just a pinch of turmeric powder to add that yellow color in the batter. Now let's add water. While adding water, make sure there will be no lumps. We want a medium consistency for our batter, not too thick, not too runny, because we'll be rolling our vada in it. As you can see, the consistency. Now let's put it aside for 10 minutes. Now we'll prepare our vada. So for that we'll be taking our boiled potatoes, mash them, let's add some oil, around 2 tablespoons. Add some cumin seeds, mustard seeds, let them crackle. Now add curry leaves. Now let's add ginger and garlic. Add chopped onions. Saute it for around half a minute. Add salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder. Now let's roast them. we'll add our mashed potatoes. Mix it properly. Cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, switch off the gas and add lemon juice. Our aloo masala is ready. Let it get cool for some time. Then after that, we'll make our vadas and fry them. Now let's prepare vada balls from our potato mixture. Just make round balls out of it. Like this. Now our vadas are ready. We will dip them in the batter and then fry them. Let's dip the potato vadas in the batter. Make sure to cover it properly. Now we'll fry them. Same with the other vada. Now let's just drop it. Now let's take out our vadas. They are ready. Guys, let me share a secret with you to make a street style vada pav. So first we'll take our vadas, press them gently, and now we'll fry it again so that it will become more crispy from outside and very soft from inside. So like I have pressed it, now let's fry it again. Let's flip it. We won't fry it for long, just for like 30 seconds. Now let's take it out. As you can see, this is quite golden in color. It's very crispy. Now we'll fry our green chilies, as vada pav is incomplete without green chilies. So make sure they are dry, there's no moisture on it, as if you will put in a hot oil, the oil will come out. So use it very dry. We just We'll just fry it for like hardly for 5 seconds. Now let's take it out. Now let's take our pav. Cut it with a knife. Like this. We'll put some coriander and mint chutney. Spread it. Spread it. Now let's add peanut and garlic masala. Now let's put our vada. Again some peanut garlic masala. Let's add our green chilies. And if you are liking my channel and my recipes, please do subscribe and ring the bell button. Thank you so much. See you next time. Enjoy and take care.